Meaning of fashion show.
Fashion show.
Fashion show.
Fashion show.
Fashion show. A fashion show is a runway presentation of clothing designs typically put on by fashion designers or fashion houses. The models walk down the runway wearing the clothes to showcase their appearance and style. The purpose of a fashion show is to present new fashion trends, styles, and designs to industry professionals, buyers, and the media. Ultimately, the goal is to generate interest and publicity for the brand and their clothing line. It's an exciting and glamorous event where the audience can witness the latest fashion creations in action.